Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a special green tea for your special winters. The ingredients which we are going to need for the green tea are firstly the common things water and green tea. Then some special ingredients like jaggery, cinnamon stick, ginger, cloves, black pepper and tulsi leaves. So let's start the recipe. Firstly, we are going to pour some water according to you. Now let the water boil. The water has now boiled. Now we are going to add our ingredients in the water. Firstly, I've chopped the ginger. We are going to add the ginger in the water as according to you. Then add 2 to 3 cloves. Then we are going to add some black pepper. Then some jaggery. You can make as sweet as you want. Just cut the cinnamon stick and add to your green tea. Now tear the tulsi leaves and then add to your green tea. Now let it boil for a while till the water condenses. You can see the water is boiling. Let it evaporate. Just mix it and see if the jaggery has melted in it. Now add some leaves of green tea to your content. And you can see it boils. And here your green tea is ready. Now pour your green tea in your mug. And here your special green tea for your special winters is ready. Enjoy.